Sal, what up? Hey, I'm just suited, not fatigued. Out your league, a few hidden cards under the sleeve. Low degree speed. No, man. Fuck that. We doing this. Fuck that. Let's go. See, I'm a war reporter, rhymer sorta. Use the gift to help me with my brain disorder. Here to start the demon slaughter. I guess it's God's plan, the way the K discharges. Private pile to the sergeant, leave your face dissolving. I'm heartless, they ain't even been down and out. Seeking a violent route, sneaking all inside your house, I highly doubt. They be living half the shit they rap about. It ain't from the horse's mouth, your lifestyle about the clout. In the tower, sniper aim, can't ride in my terrain. Blew my eardrum, blowing the gauge, my wrist sprained. Last action hero, Marxman, fully engaged. We be smoking phenos, play some bets and dice games. The OG just got home, still fucking with horse tranks. Trying to speak to the youngsters how we used to hold shanks. How we used to spin a block, bland bodies and make it shake. But he ain't been around, can't remember his kid's face.
I have a very serious message for you this afternoon. I must warn you that a very serious day is on the horizon while we're here to listen to the wonderful music of our great brothers.
Carry the energy of nipping pot, they mix the pot. The dual Pablo got the powder by the dock, fully stocked, he flew them out. They gon' chop it on the yacht, they in the drought, that's word of mouth. Homie got the best product down south. Whew. Yeah, shit could change your life, gotta do it right. They became millionaires overnight, and they living where it's hot, but all they see is powder white. The whole market wide open, just waiting for them to strike. Pipe dreams, slave to the money just like fiends. They was trying to leave, but they like things. That's when them light beams. Feds bird watching and sightseeing. Even busted out the truck selling them ice creams. It's like being in a movie. The homie said they try to screw him, not before they try to use him to infiltrate the mobsters union. Hell no, they rotten till hell froze. Every charge thrown, shit ain't sticking like Velcro. Try to confiscate his bitch's wealth, his bitch Chanel toes. All the chains, all the watches froze, designer clothes. Shit, it's all about who you know will never fold. G's, I'd rather get sent up road than say they told.